Welcome back to 5-Minute Ethics. In this series, we're going to explore marketing, so let's get started. First of all, let's clear up a misperception. The Iowa Rules of Professional Conduct allow lawyers to market their services. Read Rule 32.7.7, especially Comment 3, which states that you may purchase professional marketing or client development services such as publishers, public relations, business development staff, and website designers. But keep in mind that you as the lawyer are responsible for what they do, and you must ensure that they comply with the rules. So what's the difference between marketing and advertising? Advertising is the paid public announcement of a persuasive message by an identified sponsor regarding the sponsor's goods and services to its existing and potential customers. Marketing is the systematic planning, implementation, and control of a mix of business activities intended to bring together buyers and sellers for the mutually advantageous exchange or transfer of products or services. Got it? I didn't think so. Let's look at it this way. Marketing is a business strategy involving a mix of business activities, one of which may be advertising. To use an analogy, marketing is the toolbox and advertising is just one of the tools. The key to success is to have a toolbox with a variety of tools and to use the right tool for the right job. Unfortunately, lawyers have a tendency to use the advertising tool for everything, which can result in a very expensive disaster. You see, the advertising tool is the most expensive tool in your marketing toolbox and often delivers the least return for the highest cost. So let's look at the marketing toolbox. There are 4 pillars of successful marketing. First and foremost, know your product. Number 2, know your market. Number 3, know your competitor. And number 4, know how to communicate to your market. Today we'll talk about the first, knowing your product. We'll cover the others in the next few series. So what exactly is your product? Earlier we talked about the nature of the legal product being a fiduciary and professional service. But now we're going to have to be a little more specific. Legal service of all types, whether transaction or litigation-based, have 2 factors in common: knowledge and talent. You can be the most knowledgeable lawyer in the country, graduated at the top of your law school class, and aced the bar exam. But if you don't have talent to successfully put it into play, you've got nothing to market. Conversely, if God gave you an overabundance of talent, you know the type, those people who could sell ice to Eskimos, but you don't have legal knowledge, you're a walking disaster. You must have both. Knowledge and talent are fungible. They diminish after time. Consequently, you must keep both of them current. Old knowledge can easily become wrong knowledge. Old talent can easily become a caricature of what was once very good. Remember the last time you saw one of those 1970s rock stars who tried to perform now? Pathetic, wasn't it? So let's start with knowledge. A lawyer's knowledge can be found in 2 sets of books, law books and the Little Black Book. Law books tell you what you know. The Little Black Book tells you who to call to find out what you need to know. Fortunately, acquiring both forms of knowledge is easy. Just join and get active in the Iowa State Bar Association. By joining, you will have full access to the law books. Free with your membership is the free online legal research service called FastCase. All state and federal cases and statutes are free. I'm very proud of this because it came to pass during my term as president, saving law firms thousands of dollars a year. And you're going to hear more about the importance of keeping law firm overheads low later. Additionally, by getting active in the Iowa State Bar Association, you'll begin to fill up your Little Black Book with the names and contact information of lawyers who may have the knowledge you will need. Being active in the bar assures that your knowledge is current. My bottom line is this: I wouldn't hire a professional who wasn't an active member of his or her professional association or society. Experience has taught me that this is the hallmark of a good professional. Next time, we'll explore talent and how both knowledge and talent relate to the marketplace and how you can use them as you start to build your practice. This is Nick Critelli in Des Moines. Thank you for watching 5 Minute Ethics.